So let's discuss a problem from GATE 2021 physics. This is related to the length of space-time interval between two events. So the problem is two observers O and O dash observe two events P and Q. So there are two observers O and O dash. So here details were given about those two events. The observers have a constant relative speed of 0.5 c. That means one of the relative speed between those two observers. So we can't say, so if this is observer 1 and observer O dash, so the speed between them, the relative speed between them is 0.5 c in the units where the speed of light c is taken as unity. So we need to take the value of c as unity. The observer O obtain the following coordinates. So these are the coordinates obtained by observer O. Only O, not O dash. The length of the, then we need to find here the length of the space-time interval between the two events as measured by O dash is L. The value of L in integer is. So we need to find the length of space-time interval as observed by O dash. So in Lorentz transformation, length of space interval remains same whether it is observer O or O dash. So that's why, so we can use the values of this itself, value observed by observer O, in order to find out this space-time interval length. So the formula for let length of the space-time interval be LO for observer O. So the formula for this is nothing but delta x square, whole square, plus delta y square plus delta z square is, and finally, so as this is a space-time interval, even time coordinate is also there, so minus c delta t square, that means delta t whole square. So here because in order to, so c into t, it matches with the it has the got the dimensions of length, so that, and here actually ict square, ic delta t square is nothing but minus c, sorry, this is c square, so here c square must be coming, so actually this is c square delta t square, sorry. So c square delta t square, so c square delta t square, so this is the formula. So now we just need to substitute the values. So delta x means value of x for observer q minus value of x for observer p. In the same manner, delta y means value of y for observer q, sorry, it's not observer q, for event q, for value of y for event q minus value of y for event p, and delta z means value of z for event q minus value of event for p. So next time square, that is delta t, that is 5 minus 3, so like that. So if we do, so what we would get is, so in first of all, delta x square is nothing but 5 minus 5, so this part, so here, so first of all, delta x means this difference between them, that is 5 minus 5, that is 0 square, plus, and next is delta y means difference between them both. 3 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. So however square is there. So 2 square, that is 4. Next, delta z square means this one. Difference between these two coordinates. 5 minus 3 whole square, that is 2 square, that is 4. And next is delta t minus c square into delta t square. So c square is nothing but 1 square, because they have mentioned here where the speed of light is taken as unity. So minus 1 square into delta t square, that is minus 1 square into delta t means 5 minus 3 or 3 minus 5, that is 2 square, so 4. So here if we see this 4 would get cancelled, only 4 would be remaining. So actually this is so here this length of the space-time interval, actually here there is a mistake in the formula. So this is actually L square. Sorry, because this here these are the dimensions of length square. So finally what we would get is L naught square is equals to 4. That is L naught square is equals to 4. Now if we send that square root that side, so we would get L naught is equals to plus or minus 2. But here we wanted modulus of L naught, so we would take only positive value. So length of this space time interval between the two events P and Q is 2 for observer O. And as we have said in Lorentz transformations, the length of space time interval remains constant. So it is the same for the observer O dash. So length of space time interval would be same for observer O dash. So the answer for this question is, so the value of modulus of L is 2 for this question. So this is a solution. So thank you.